I just had an adjustment with Dr. Charles, and he just aligned my neck. I've never had an alignment. I feel automatically relieved from some pain that I was, stiffness and pain. He's explained everything clearly to me, how the joints work, and I understand. It's just been about half an hour, and I'm going to walk out of here with more education of my body, my joints, and I feel fantastic. I mean, he just cracked my neck, and he aligned it, and I'm walking out of here, and I'll be sleeping better tonight.